Today I'm going to be installing the Memphis Shades gauntlet fairing on my 2019 Softail Street Bob, so let's get to it. We have the fairing here, the brackets, and the headlight extension block. Hopefully I'll get this done within half an hour. Alright, so the first thing to do is to loosen the stock headlight bracket. So once you remove the Allen bolt from underneath, this headlight bracket should come out. So this is the one that they provide you with, a headlight extension bracket. You don't need to purchase this, it just makes the headlight come out further so it is flush with the front of the fairing. So what you need to do is set the bracket like that, put the bolt through the center of the headlight there, and then just bolt it on. Insert the Allen head bolt underneath. So the brackets go inside the fairing like that, and they catch on to the clamps which mount to the forks. Put the rubber grommets in first. So what you got to do is push these tabs through. Alrighty, so once you got them started, time to tighten them. Not too tight though, because they are adjustable. So the clamps just go on straight like that, and then they slide over the other one. Once again, getting them snug but not too tight. And there's meant to be about a 2-inch gap. You get the gist, I don't need to film the other side. Alrighty, so I've still got the front headlight a bit loose because I'm going to pop the fairing on, then adjust that. I've positioned the clamps in place where I'm happy with them, so now let's pop the fairing on. So first of all, get the headlight through the cowling. And then lock down these small clips here. Now let's tighten the Allen head bolt underneath the front headlight. As you can see, piece of cake, very easy to install. Let's wheel the bike out of the shed, take it for a spin, and get some shots of what the fairing looks like on the bike. Alrighty, so that's going to do it for this one. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Memphis Shades gauntlet fairing. I always wanted to put one on my Softail Slim when I had it, but they never made them for that model. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.